Welcome to Legrand's Arteor with Netatmo smart home installation video. Arteor with Netatmo is a collection of smart switches and sockets that allows you to control lights, small appliances, blinds and shutters, and even monitor energy consumption. It uses the Home Plus control app and voice commands via a digital assistant such as Google Home, Apple Siri, and Amazon Alexa. The Home Plus control app allows your clients to create customized scenarios and control individual appliances, adding convenience, security, and greater energy efficiency to their home. Each installation will require a starter kit, as well as a Wi-Fi network with an internet connection. The starter kit includes a gateway, wireless master switch, smart power point, and a smart light switch. We'll now guide you through the setup of the Arteor with Netatmo starter kit. Before you begin the installation, be sure to turn off the main power supply. First, install the gateway. It can be installed vertically or horizontally. We recommend installing the gateway in close proximity to the modem or router. Connect the live and neutral wires and tighten the terminals. Push into the wall cavity and screw into place. Follow the same steps to install the smart light switch and the smart power point. A micro module is available, allowing you to control additional circuits. Once you've connected the wired products, turn the main power supply back on. We'll now guide you through creating a network and pairing your wireless switches. Begin the setup at the location of the gateway, as this needs to be paired first with the master switch. Remove the tab from the wireless master switch. Then press once to activate. From here, hold down the center of the switch until it illuminates green, then release. One by one, all the wired Arteor with Netatmo products, including the gateway, will illuminate a steady green, indicating the network has been created. Pairing additional wireless switches to create multi-way switching is also simple. Remove the protective tab and briefly press the switch to activate it. Hold the switch down while tapping it 3 times on the wired switch you'd like to pair it with. Your client now has the convenience of a wireless switch anywhere, including hallways, staircases, and even by their bed. Briefly press the center of the wireless master switch. The green light will flash 3 times. All LED indicators on the products will turn off. You've just paired the switches and sockets successfully. We recommend positioning the master on and off switch close to the front door. You're all done. Be sure to leave the starter kit user guide with your customer, as it contains a QR code to download the Home Plus control app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. It also contains a unique code to sync their products via Apple HomeKit. Arteor with Netatmo makes it easy to create a smart home.